Are you missing the cdpusersvc.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. To start fixing cdpusersvc manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the cdpusersvc, the Connected Devices Platform CDP User Service Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of cross-device data links, e.g., activity feed timeline. It facilitates the synchronization of user activity manifests across Windows devices. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scannow to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as cdpusersvc.dll. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with cdpusersvc. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Using an incorrect or outdated version of cdpusersvc.dll can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing cdpusersvc. If this diagnostic helped you resolve cdpusersvc error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.